Hello, Choo Choo Channel friends! Today we're unboxing the Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Cave Collapse set. This is a new Trackmaster set we found at the store.
It's part of the Digs and Discoveries set. And it includes Thomas and Darcy.
When the cave collapses and boulders crash down, Thomas and Darcy become a digging duo. Darcy knocks down the boulders as she and Thomas ride through the crumbling cave. Sounds exciting. It's got 21 pieces. Let's put it together. Because everyone always asks, we got this set at Target for $49.99. Here it is, all set up. Bring Thomas through and we spin the wheel. Boulders come out. Goes up. Ride with Darcy. Clear the boulders out of the way. And sometimes it's like that. We put the boulders up there when you reset it, and it goes down into the cave, and Thomas gets them out of the way with Darcy. About a 30% success rate, we've figured. So what I've noticed is that they've got little bumps here to stop Darcy and Thomas when they come through, except I think they should be more in this area so it comes up in time. Because we've been having problems. And then we can't get started. Okay, so we've been having problems with her going up in time. Pick them up.
Nobody to pick them up.
But he still goes. We'll see. So, I guess he's on the way back, which is fine.
He doesn't need Darcy?
Nope. And he stops himself too.
Hey, not on.
So overall, it's a pretty fun set, right, Garrett?
Yeah.
Except it's kind of hard to reset and get all the boulders back in place after you spin him up, and they go flying off the table. And then you have to put Darcy back. But it's still kind of cool. How and that's turned off.
And it doesn't work a lot of times, too.
Yeah, like this occasion. Yeah, sometimes Darcy doesn't go up, but it's a fun set. It's pretty cool. It's different. Okay, so we're gonna do one more run through just to show you guys. This time it might be successful. And then Darcy comes through and helps me get all the boulders out of the way. And Darcy saves the day. And is back up ready to go. Okay, so tell us what you guys think of this set. And also tell us, have you seen the new Digs and Discoveries movie that this is from? And what part of the movie is it from? Because I don't know. And I was wondering. But thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye!